Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain about armature association. Let's begin! Let's start! First of all, I'll explain how to associate with automatic weights. In object mode, select the robot, choose armature, press Ctrl plus P, then click with automatic weight to link the robot with its armature. When automatic weight has been linked, I'll try to make a robot move. After switching to pose mode from the switch menu, in the top left of the 3D viewport, select the bone you want to move and try rotating it or moving it. If you look closely, you can see that when you move the top left arm, the shoulder part is hung up and moves unnaturally. In this case, you need to edit the weights. Press A to select all the bones, and press Alt plus R. Then you can return the model to its original pose. Next, I'll guide you the manual linking method. I'll let the robot hold a stick and connect with hand movement. Firstly, prepare such a rod-shaped object, and move it to the position of the left hand. Select the stick, open Tap. Modifier properties, then click Add Modifier and choose Armature. Select Armature from Object. Next, select Armature. Open Tab, Object Data Properties, and tick on Names. Then, the name of the bone will be displayed like this. At this time, we can see that the bone named Hand.L is associated with the stick object. Select the stick object again and click Object Data Properties. From Vertex Group, click plus on the top right to add a new vertex group. At this time, change the name to Hand.L, the same name with the bone that links the movement. Press the Tab key to switch to edit mode, and after selecting all the stick meshes, set the weight to 1 from the vertex group and click Assign. If you switch to pose mode and move the left hand, you can see that the left hand and stick are moving like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to associate armature. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.